Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the world of mini gadgets, but with a twist. You know Ace Hardware, right? The go-to place for all your home improvement needs. But did you know they've got a treasure trove of compact gadgets that can make your life easier? Let's explore some of these hidden gems and why they're worth your attention. First up, the Fight Smart Water Leak Sensor. Now, this little device is a game-changer for homeowners and renters alike. It's like having a watchful eye on your plumbing, alerting you to potential disasters. What makes this really interesting is its versatility. You can mount it in the kitchen, bathroom, or even the basement. Imagine getting a notification on your phone when a leak occurs, and an audible alarm right at the source. This is a perfect example of technology making our lives easier and preventing costly repairs. Personally, I think every home should have one of these, especially if you live in an area prone to flooding or freezing temperatures. Next, let's talk about the Lightkeeper Pro. This nifty tool is a lifesaver for anyone who loves their holiday lights but hates the hassle of fixing them. It's like a magic wand for your Christmas or fairy lights, fixing common issues with a simple trigger. What many people don't realize is that this tool can save you money and time. Instead of buying new lights every year, you can repair and reuse your old ones. It's a sustainable and cost-effective solution, and it's compact enough to store away for the next holiday season. Now, here's something for all the DIY enthusiasts out there. The Skill Cordless Electric Screwdriver is a handy companion for small projects. Its pivoting head and adjustable torque settings make it versatile and easy to use in tight spaces. I find this particularly useful for assembling furniture or fixing toys without the bulk of a full-size drill. It's a great example of how technology can make our lives easier by providing us with compact, efficient tools. The Taylor Digital Thermometer is another gadget that caught my eye. It's not just a thermometer, it's a hygrometer too. This little device can give you a comprehensive overview of your indoor environment. What's fascinating is its ability to record minimum and maximum values, helping you understand the conditions in your living space. This is especially useful if you're dealing with old insulation or extreme outdoor temperatures. It's like having a mini weather station right in your pocket. For those who need a bit of light in their lives, the Coast LED pen light is a brilliant choice. It's slim, portable, and perfect for close-up inspection tasks. I've personally used similar pen lights for fixing electronics, and the focused beam is a lifesaver. This is a must-have for anyone who works with intricate details or just needs a reliable light source in dark corners. The Dremel Cordless Multipurpose Toolkit is a jack of all trades. It's a cleaning tool, but it's so much more. With its various pads and brushes, it can tackle a wide range of surfaces and materials. From soap scum to grease, it's like having a tiny cleaning army at your disposal. In my opinion, this is a great investment for anyone who wants to keep their space clean and tidy without the hassle of bulky equipment. Dremel makes another appearance with their micro engraver tool. This is a crafty gadget for those who love personalization. You can engrave on various materials, from metal to leather, adding a unique touch to your belongings. What this really suggests is that technology is becoming more accessible and user-friendly. It's not just for professionals anymore, it's for anyone who wants to add a creative flair to their projects. The Slime Digital Tire Pressure Gauge is a simple yet essential gadget. It's affordable, easy to use, and can save you a lot of trouble on the road. I've personally had my fair share of tire-related issues, and a reliable pressure gauge is a must-have. This one even has a lighted tip for those late-night checks, which is a thoughtful addition. Now, let's talk about moisture control. The EverDry Mini Dehumidifier is a powerful yet compact solution for small spaces. It's perfect for protecting your valuables, like camera lenses or 3D printing materials, from the damaging effects of moisture. What I find impressive is that it doesn't need external power, making it super convenient to place and forget about. It's the kind of gadget that works silently in the background, ensuring your belongings stay in top condition. The Leviton Mini Smart Plug is a tiny device with a big impact. It adds smart functionality to your regular appliances, allowing you to control them remotely. This is a great way to make your home more energy efficient and convenient. Imagine turning on your coffee maker from the comfort of your bed. It's these small innovations that truly enhance our daily lives. In the kitchen, the Cuisinart Mini food processor is a chef's best friend. It's compact, efficient, and perfect for small-scale food prep. I love how it can handle both soft and hard foods, making it versatile for various recipes. This is a great example of a gadget that doesn't try to do everything but does one thing really well. Lastly, the dual wearable Bluetooth speaker is a unique find. It's not just about the music, it's about convenience and durability. You can clip it onto your shirt and take your music or calls with you wherever you go. This is perfect for those who work in loud environments or simply want a hands-free audio experience. The fact that it's water and sweat resistant is a huge plus, ensuring it can handle various conditions. What I find fascinating about these gadgets is that they're not just about convenience, they're about solving specific problems. They're designed to make our lives easier, whether it's preventing water damage, fixing holiday lights, or engraving personal touches. Ace Hardware has really upped its game by offering these mini gadgets, and I think they deserve more recognition. So, there you have it, a journey through some of the most intriguing mini gadgets you can find at Ace Hardware. These gadgets prove that sometimes, the best solutions come in small packages. Remember, it's not just about the size, it's about the impact they have on our daily lives. Until next time, keep exploring, and stay curious.